So I'll be showing you how to reduce or how to turn off voice chat volume on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So what you need to do is simply press the options button on your controller and then go to settings and then scroll down to audio and select that. Now under audio, make sure master volume is selected, and then with master volume selected, press the box button on your controller to show more, and then scroll down to voice chat volume, and you can reduce that using either the left button or the left analog stick and reduce it to an acceptable volume, or to turn it off you can always go ahead and put it at volume 0. So depending on if you want to reduce or completely turn it off, and then you can go back all the way back to game, and that's it. That's basically how to turn off or how to reduce the voice chat volume in COD Modern Warfare 3. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.